Welcome to my channel. Have you ever felt like you were wasting your life away? As if every day you just keep on doing the same things over and over again without getting anywhere in life? I know what it's like. For most of my life, I was lazy. I procrastinated. I had no goals, I didn't exercise, and I hated myself for it because deep down I knew I could do so much more with my life. But the problem is that when you're lazy, it's very hard to change. So today, I want to share with you 3 tips that helped me overcome my laziness once and for all. Number 1. Change your environment. This might seem like a weird tip, but stick with me here. When I was lazy, I always told myself that I couldn't do anything until I had my coffee. Or I would say that I can't start working out until I'm done with exams. Basically, I was always looking for an excuse to put off what I had to do. But one day, I realized something. My environment was making me lazy. Let me explain. The room I was living in was filled with clothes and dishes. Every time I came back from school, I would lay down on my bed and scroll on my phone because I felt too lazy to clean up after myself. But then I moved out and got a new place. This time, I made sure it was small enough so that I had to clean constantly. And then I noticed that I became less lazy because my surroundings forced me to take care of them. You see, our environment plays a huge role in our lives. If you want to be less lazy, you have to change the environment around you. Here are some examples of how you can do that. Get rid of all distractions. Look around your house and identify everything that distracts you. It could be your phone, TV, or even your bed. Then remove those distractions from your workspace. You won't believe how much more productive you'll be when you don't have distractions around you. Change your bedroom into a productivity room. You spend a lot of time in your bedroom. So why not make it work for you instead of against you? Put a desk and chair in the corner and use it to plan your day. Read or work on your hobbies. Just don't use it for leisure activities such as watching TV or playing video games. Make your bed every morning. This simple task has been proven to increase productivity. When you make your bed every morning, you'll feel accomplished and motivated to do other tasks throughout the day. Plus, it's a great way to start your day with a sense of order and cleanliness. Take care of your plants. Taking care of plants has been shown to improve focus and attention span. So try watering your plants while listening to a podcast or working through an assignment. You'll be surprised at how much more productive you'll be while enjoying the benefits of nature. Number 2. Remove the word "I have" from your vocabulary. When I was lazy, I used to say things like, "I have a lot of work to do," or "I have no motivation." But one day I realized that this way of thinking was making me even lazier. So I started to replace these thoughts with, "I choose to do this thing now." This small change had a huge impact on my life because it made me realize that I am in control of my actions, not the other way around. I know it sounds easy, but it's actually quite difficult to change your thoughts. I recommend you write down everything you say for a week, and every time you catch yourself saying, "I have," cross it out and replace it with, "I choose to." At first, you'll probably feel awkward saying, "I choose to," all the time. But over time, it will become second nature, and you'll notice that you're being less lazy in all areas of your life. Number 3. Learn to love yourself. We all know the importance of loving ourselves, but most of us don't know how to do it. I certainly struggled with this for a long time. I always thought I should love myself, but I didn't know how. But one day I stumbled upon the work of a psychologist and author who talks about self-compassion. She defines self-compassion as treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to someone you truly care about. And that changed everything for me. I realized that I needed to be kinder to myself, especially when I was feeling lazy. So here are 3 ways to learn to love yourself. Start by accepting yourself. Acceptance doesn't mean you have to like everything about yourself, but it means acknowledging and accepting yourself for who you are. Only when you accept yourself can you truly love yourself. Next, treat yourself like you would treat someone you care about. Ask yourself, how would you talk to a close friend who is feeling lazy? Would you be harsh and judgmental or kind and understanding? Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would extend to someone you care about. Finally, practice self-care. Self-care is essential to loving yourself. It's about taking the time to do things that make you feel good both physically and mentally. It could be as simple as taking a break to do something you enjoy or making time for activities that help you relax. No matter what it is, make sure it's something that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. I know that loving yourself can be challenging, especially if you've struggled with self-esteem or self-worth in the past. But it's important to remember that you deserve love and kindness, including from yourself. By practicing self-acceptance, treating yourself with kindness, and engaging in self-care, you can start to cultivate a more positive relationship with yourself and overcome laziness in the process. In conclusion, overcoming laziness is possible by changing your environment, removing the words "I have" from your vocabulary, and learning to love yourself. You can start to break free from the cycle of procrastination and start living the life you want. Remember that small changes can make a big difference. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Also, don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Just pick yourself up and keep moving forward. I believe in you, and if I can do it, so can you. If you found this video helpful, then consider subscribing to this channel, comment, like, and share the video for others to also benefit. Press the bell icon to get notification of my next video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay awesome.